Hello, my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. दोस्तों आज मैं आपको मिलाने जा रहा हूँ मेरे फेवरेट स्टूडेंट्स से एंड दे कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश वेरी वेल नाउ एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क देम हाउ कैन अ पर्सन improve English language and what is the value of English language at present time. You know guys that, and I'm about to introduce my students. First of all, you Ravindra. Tell something.
First of all, I would like to say hi to all the viewers who watch this video, later or sooner. So yeah, the sir asked me a question: why English is that much important in today's world? So I would like to say that English has its own importance. English is a widely used language, everyone knows, and English works as a bridge among the continents. So wherever you go, English is required because English is the only language which is widely used. So wherever you go, English, you need to speak in English. So without communicating in English, you will not be able to do anything wherever a part of world you just visit. So apart from that, English, as an example, wherever you go in an interview, so where English matters a lot. The preference is only given to those who can speak or who can speak or communicate better in English. Yeah. So yeah, this is how English matters a lot in today's world.
Very good, Ravindra. You have shared your experience. And now I just want to ask you, Manoj sir. Yeah, tell me, what is the value of English language and how can a person improve English language?
Hello guys, my name is Manoj Prajapat. And thank to sir to give me opportunity to speak. And before you, I want to just express my views about on value of English. And as my friend Ravindra just told you already, value of English. And I want to tell you about what is the way how can we learn English. At present time, the lots of problem like the villagers that belong to villagers people, they told they like there is no environment. How can we speak English? Then for them at present time, it's a modern era. In modern era, lots of opportunities, lots of facilities we have available, technology available by them use. We can just learn English, and we just make like those friends who is able to speak English. We just share our feelings with them, just always just touch with them and talk to them. And lots of foreigner people just make friends, those whom you can just talk. And lots of involve lots of mobile apps also. By use this app, you can use your language. They like reading, just improve your reading skill. You should read daily and try to speak English like in initial matter by just reading and speaking. And just start to think about in English whatever you are going to speak. Just first process is thinking. Start to think in English, then you can speak English easily. And you know what, English is very necessary, very like an important language by globally at present time. Without English we can't achieve anything. In olden time there is no need, but at present time in 2021 it must to every student who just grow in yourself, then you must know about the English.
How is your experience with Image Institute? And after joining Image Institute, how you feel that your English will be perfect? Yeah, Ravindra.
So I have got a nice experience from this institute. Before joining this institute, I was unable to speak. I was unable to utter a single English word. Yeah. But after coming here, I was taught a lot of ways of learning English. I was taught the basic concepts in the beginning, but later I was suggested a few of the applications that I still use on a regular basis. So yeah, I learned a lot of things. I have brought away a lot of things from this institute, and I am really glad. I'm fortunate enough to be a part of this institute.
Okay, great, very good. Yeah, okay. Now I just want to the same question with Manoj. What is your experience with Image Institute?
My experience about Image Institute very nice, because I know I just thought about my old days. On that time I don't know anything about English, but as soon as I just joined this institute and I just got lot of things, I just cleared my whole concept. And Mr. Shiv Sharma, the founder of the Image Institute, he just teaches us very friendly and very manners, and he just able to perfect in thousands of people. We can at present time speak English, and we can share our feeling in English language. So I want to suggest to all of you, the lots of students who has who doesn't know how to speak English, who can join the Image Institute and who can just clear their concept.
Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video, like करें और शेयर करें इस वीडियो को. यदि आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. और आपको पता है कि इंग्लिश इज़ वेरी वैल्यूबल एट प्रेजेंट टाइम. यू कैन improve your English language. You can join my online class and offline class also. Thanks a lot and keep watching my all videos. Bye bye.